Not your hands, but fingers.
5-year-old Rain is learning all about the human body.
What does muscles start with?
With a Little Leaper kit at the Harford County Public Library branch in Abingdon.
We try to take one a week out, and we have been loving exploring the different topics. She's learning new concepts that I wouldn't have even thought to teach her. We have spent hours doing these kits, and she's so engaged.
Throughout the county, there are 104 Little Leaper kits with 23 different themes. They include books and supporting materials based on the topic.
Our little ones, and it's from birth through about age 6, learn all about the sciences, do it in a fun way with their families, and of course the kits are just full of books and videos, DVDs, and all sorts of activities.
One of the best pieces of the kit is there are activities that have been created by the early literacy librarians that can help parents go through different activities with their children so they can really get the concepts down.
The goal is to inspire creativity, and it doesn't always have to make sense. For instance, when a dinosaur head doesn't exactly belong on a different dinosaur's body.
No, it doesn't. But you know what the cool thing is with the I Am a Paleontologist kit? You can build a regular dinosaur or just even create brand new ones.
The kits were created in 2013, and while they have been maintained, they are well loved and need an upgrade. Over the next 3 years, Celebree Learning is investing $30,000 for upgrades along with new kits still in development.
When you have a child that has some background information on any topic, and getting them deeper and invested into whatever that topic is, they want to learn more.
In Abingdon, Jen Franciotti, WBAL TV 11 News.